Hey, it's Cliff, and today I want to do an update on the contest that I announced about 2 months ago. So, if you don't know, I'm doing a contest where I'm giving away my first YouTube AdSense paycheck. If you haven't seen the video on that, I'm going to put it down in the description. So, if you need all the details on how to enter that contest, just click that video. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. The the short version of it is all you need to do is go to that video and post a comment of something positive that you would do with that money. So in this video, I just want to kind of give an update of where I was at with the contest and how long it took to actually get to the $100 threshold. And now that I actually know how YouTube pays out a little bit better, I kind of want to explain that to you guys a little bit more. So I'm going to pull up a article here from Google, and it says the AdSense payment cycle is monthly. So by the end of this month, which should be tomorrow, by the time that I'm filming this video, is when the cutoff for the monthly payment will be. So now that I'm at $100, we've hit the threshold, and we're moving on into how YouTube actually calculates how they pay their content creators. So how I'm being told how this is done, the 10th of the month is when they kind of verify that you hit the threshold, and they do all the calculations to see what they need to pay you. And then, as it states here, it says they will issue you a payment between the 21st and the 26th. So, the 21st and the 26th, sometime between there, I will get the payment in September. And at that point, we will notify our winner. We still haven't picked anyone at this point, so the contest is still open. If you want to go to that video and try to enter, you're definitely welcome to do so. But yeah, so between the 21st and the 26th of September is when they're going to issue that payment. We're going to go through the comments and decide who the winner is, and we will contact you at that point. So if you're interested in being a part of that contest, go ahead and enter if you want to. But just to show you how much has been in the contest so far, I'm going to bring up my analytics, and as you can see here, I've kind of set it to 90 days. You can customize it here to 2 months, but it's just easier for me to go through here and hit the 90 days because it took 2 months for us to reach the $100 threshold. And so I got the estimated revenue pulled up here, and between those 2 months, I made about $108. There is one more day, like I said, but I don't think that's going to be anything significant. So you can just pretty much hope on it being $108 for what you would get if you won the contest. So yeah, it's definitely for the videos I'm making and the views, it's not a lot of money. This was really just meant to be fun and to I don't know, give back to my community, because there was a lot of people that are really supportive and they were really cool. So it can be fun to give it back. But yeah, other than that, it's hopefully a 3-day weekend for you guys with Labor Day. Hopefully you get to spend time with your family. You get to do a lot of fun things. I know that's definitely something we're planning on doing this weekend. I've also been playing this game, which is weird. I'm not a huge gamer, but once in a while they'll catch me with a really interesting game, and I get completely hooked on it. But this one is Farthest Frontier, and it's kind of like a medieval city builder. I would say it's like a mix between Age of Empires 2, if you guys remember that game, as well as Banished. It's like they took the two and kind of combined them together. So you have like your town bell where you can make your villagers go inside, and they'll fire um, arrows at people who are trying to like raid your village, but it's not too specific on moving your like troops around like Age of Empires 2. It's just, like I said, it's kind of a mixture of those two games. So I've been having a lot of fun with that, but it's definitely one of those games where I was playing it last Saturday and I completely lost track of time. 5 hours had gone by, and my wife was like, "What the hell? What are you doing?" I completely had no clue what was going on. I was like, I was having that much fun. 5 hours just completely flew by. So if you guys are interested in games like that, I think it's like $30 on Steam right now. You can check it out. It's pretty cool. A lot of good YouTube videos as well that people are making. They have different strategies that I've been looking into to try and be better at the game, because I'm definitely not a pro at it. But it's not hard. It's just all in fun. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video is just kind of give you guys an update on how much the uh, contest ended at, as well as when I would be paying this out, as well as selecting the winner. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, have a good weekend.